Hey guys, I'm Abha and this is a DIY tutorial to make this mini owl planter, which I am going to use as a planter, but you can use as a pen stand or however it may please you because it is cute, right? Okay, so this is made of Fevicryl moldit. Moldit is the new name of Shilpakar. I recently discovered that. Uh, this is a pretty easy one. It doesn't require a lot of hard to get material, and but yeah, it does take a little time because it is made of clay and clay requires time to dry out, and then you can paint it and then that will dry, then you'll do another coat. Guys, did you notice that I've been uploading pretty frequently now, like at least twice a week? And to make sure that you not miss on that, please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments, guys. Tell me what you think about these videos. Do you like them? Do you try these ideas? And okay, before you actually write a comment and ask me to stop talking, let us get to this. Let us start working with Fevicryl molded. As we know, there are two packs in it. One is the white clay and the other is the brown hardener. Put some talc on your hand because this clay can be a bit sticky. So now we mix these two parts together very well. Rub them between your hands to elongate the clay, then fold it, mix it again, and repeat the process until the entire clay is white. I already started with the amount of clay that I wanted to use, so now I am dividing it into all the parts that I want to make for this mini owl planter. For the eyes I need 3 layers, so I will make 6 balls in 3 different sizes. And I need 2 other parts. One will be the eyebrows and one will be the nose. Now I have taken this mini pot, which you can find somewhere where you get planters, or you can take a kulhad. Place all these parts on the kulhad and just stick them using some fevicol. They will hold up pretty tight, so make sure you put these in the right place. You won't be able to move them later. If you're following the same design, your owl will look something like this. Let it dry for a minimum of 2 hours. I picked it up only after an entire day. And now, let's paint. Use it as a planter, guys, or use it as a pen stand holder, anything that you wish for. Use poppy colors. And do not forget to like the video. Leave your comments, subscribe to the channel. See ya!